Hello student, here we discuss about reasoning question. Explain why CrNH3 3 positive and 6 times Cn here, Cr chromium cyano complex 3 negative charge. Here ammonium complex 3 positive charge. They have same geometry and hybridization. These two sp3 hybridization for weak and strong field ligands same, and paramagnetic character both having same. Coordination number same, oxidation number same, as well as CFSE also same. So we will discuss why it is so. Now the difference of energy between two sets of d orbital, D2G is T2G set and EG set. After splitting is called crystal field splitting energy or crystal field stabilization energy. Both are one and the same. Okay. I'm Veena Dixit. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Here we discuss CrNH3 6 time ammonia ligand, and here 3 positive charge because it is neutral ligand and chromium is in +3 oxidation state. So we have to determine oxidation state. I told you +3. The electron count, how can we write down 3d3 configuration? It will be in Cr3 positive, it is +3 oxidation state, and argon 18 3d3 configuration will be there for chromium ion, Cr3 positive ion. Okay. Now electron count only T2G3 because each this T2G having 3 degenerate orbitals, so all these 3 electrons will be in the T2G cell set, and EG will be having no electrons. So number of electron in T2G will be how much? 3, and number of electron in EG will be 0. And we know that CFSE for octahedral in this complex, it will be this T2G energy of the T2G set, which is in negative sign, and this is energy of the EG set, so it is in plus sign. So it will count it will be -1.2. Why? Because this will be 0, so it will be 0. All electrons are unpaired, so it will remain 0 -1.2 crystal field splitting stabilization energy for chromium ammonium complex. Okay. So this is hexamine chromium 3, and surprisingly we will see that CrCN6 3 negative, it is hexacyanochromate. Okay, it is also having, here I am saying chromate, here I am saying chromium because it is cationic complex, this is anionic complex, and both of them having the same set of T2G3 and the same octahedral energy, as well as same hybridization D2sp3, because only 3 electrons left over, and pairing energy is very much, so strong field ligand or weak field ligand doesn't affect the hybridization. Clear to you? So only 3 electrons left over, so hybridization will remain the